I'm Miss Lydia from the LaGrange Park Public Library. Thanks for joining me for Kids Kitchen today. You know, one of my favorite breakfasts of all time is blueberry pancakes. But rushing in the morning, I never have time to make any. So this smoothie recipe for blueberry pancake smoothies is perfect and tastes just like the real thing. So to make a blueberry pancake smoothie, you'll need a blender, a glass and a straw to put your smoothie in when you're done. And the ingredients for the smoothie are a half cup of frozen blueberries, and it's important that they're frozen. 1 cup of almond milk, and I'm going to use almond milk, although you can use other kinds of milk if you like. You could use soy milk, oat milk, cow's milk, whatever you feel like, and whatever you have is good. A 1/4 cup of quick cook rolled oats. So they might be called, mine are called quick cook, sometimes they're called instant, but it is important that you have the quick cook kind because it'll blend up better. Regular oatmeal will be too chunky. This will blend perfectly. A medium banana, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup for some sweetness, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, let's assemble our smoothie. So in your blender, you're gonna want to put your 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries. Let's pour those in. And then we'll do our 1/4 cup of rolled oats, instant rolled oats. And we're gonna put our banana. I like to cut mine up just so it blends a little bit better. You could put it in whole or in half, whatever you wanna do. I like to cut it up. Oops, got a few more pieces. And then we're gonna pour our milk over top of that. Our 1 cup of milk of your choice. Nice. And then our 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. And the maple syrup gives it a mapley flavor, so it tastes like pancakes, but it also does sweeten it a little bit without putting a ton of sugar in. And then our 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And if you really like cinnamon, you could put more than 1/2 teaspoon. And if you don't really like cinnamon, you could put less than that. I like cinnamon, so I'm just gonna put in what the recipe calls for. All right, so let's put our blender on and turn it so we can see our blender. And put the cover on tight. And then we're gonna put it on. I like to put, when I'm making smoothies, I like to put my blender on the highest it can go so it can crush up the frozen pieces, but whatever your blender has will be fine. And then we're gonna blend it up until it looks smooth. So the things that you wanna look for are that you can't see the oatmeal pieces and then you can't see big chunks of banana or blueberry. And once it's all together, then it should be good. We shouldn't have to stop and scrape down the sides, but if you're gonna make more than just this one smoothie or yours is looking a little chunky, then you can stop it and scrape down the sides, but I'm not going to this time. All right, ready? Okay, yum, this looks so good. You're probably gonna wanna blend it for like 30 seconds to a minute, whatever looks good to you, honestly. All right, so we're gonna take our blender off and get your cup ready. So I have a 16-ounce cup, and so this amount of smoothie will make either 2 small smoothies so you can share, or 1 big smoothie for yourself. I'm just gonna make 1 big one because I'm hungry. All right. Here it is, beautiful and purple. All right, we'll stick our straw in. Let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh, yum. It tastes just like pancakes. You wouldn't even guess that it's a smoothie. Well, enjoy making your blueberry pancake smoothie. And if you see me around the library, let me know how it goes. Thanks for tuning in to Kids Kitchen this week, and see you next time.